Every scanner might have slightly different method. With a work off, plug the OBD second scanner into the standard OBD port, located under the left side of the steering wheel. Depending on the specific scanner, turn on the power accessory mode on your car or start it. Run the diagnostic test to determine the specific code that your vehicle has. Some scanners will require additional information for you to input, such as your vehicle make and model. Write down the code or codes that the scanner provided, then look them up in the scanner manual or on the internet to find the issue and possible solutions. Turn the car off and gently unplug the OBD second scanner from the port. For assistance figuring out the exact issue and getting back on the road, with the nearest AAA owned car care or AAA approved auto repair location.